Hello everyone. These shipments have just arrived from India. They contain my mother-in-law's old brass utensils and containers. Let's take a look at what's inside. My mother-in-law is moving to a new home this fall. Even though the kitchen is larger, it is designed in a modern style, and she realized there would not really be a place for the large containers that have been with her for decades. When she spoke about them, I could tell they were not just old utensils to her. They held memories. The brass had become part of her life story. I told her, "Send them to me. I will keep them." The relief and happiness on her face said everything. She carefully packed them and arranged to have them shipped. When the boxes arrived, I felt as if I was opening a piece of family history. These needs cleaning and polishing, and I'm going to do it now. Now I start cleaning each brass utensil. First, I wash them and use brush polish to restore their shine. Then, I use tamarind for a traditional deep clean and polish. I am so happy to see these utensils coming back to life. There is still a lot of cleaning left to do, but seeing them shine again makes every bit of the effort worthwhile. Every mark and every dent reminds me that these pieces have lived through generations of meals, celebrations, and memories. Their shine may have faded with time, but their value has not. Sometimes, the most precious heirlooms are not the expensive treasures. They are the things that carry the love of the people who have come before us. I feel truly honored to be the one caring for them now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.